Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a list in Getresponse. Let's get started. First, log into your Getresponse account. From the dashboard, click on the Contacts tab, then select Lists. Find the list you want to delete, click the three dots next to it, and select Delete. A confirmation box will pop up. Just click Yes, Delete, and your list will be gone for good. And there you have it. If you're new to Getresponse, you can sign up and get a 30-day free trial using the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.